Good morning, everyone. This week I read the Amazon Microsoft SpiderOak Joint Defense Innovation Unit's Hybrid Space Network project. And so first, it caught my attention. I wasn't sure what the DIU was, but they are a government organization, part of the Space Force, that work with smaller companies instead of the big name defense contractors. And they're trying to build a resilient network of satellites using RF spectrum, optical links, military data links, and legacy ground networks. And it's caught my attention for the class because of everything it wants to use and have work together. There could be clear issues using legacy networks and on the ground on Earth, in addition to the satellites in the sky. And so that was kind of eye-catching for the security aspect of it, but also that the cybersecurity was part of the contract that was awarded to do this. So a company called SpiderOak is going to be responsible for the cybersecurity software for authentication and data protection using blockchains, so to keep the data confidential and secure, both data transiting and the commands going across, which seems like a big thing because we're talking about using government satellites and commercial satellites together. So it was kind of big that the cybersecurity was part of the contract, or at least the story's written to make it sound like it's part of the contract, to ensure that from the ground up cybersecurity is considered, but also that as we're using different links, there's a bunch of different potential access vectors for some of the countries that are adding satellites rapidly to space, and kind of proliferating them through the different orbits. So kind of be interesting to watch as the articles keep coming out about these different networks that Space Force and government are trying to put in space and how they're going to protect them. So that's kind of my article for this week. Look forward to talking about it in class.